guides, a light that inspires to change, to reform, to make it right. My dear audience, respectable teachers and honorable judge, Assalamu alaikum. Change is the law of life, and those who look only to a past, a present, a certain miss to the future. If our country is to be corruption-free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel there are three key social members who can make a difference. They are the father, the mother, and the teacher. Life belongs to the living, and he who lives must be prepared for the changes. Change will not come if we will wait for some other person or some other time. We are the ones we have been waiting for. We are the change that we see. My name is Muhammad Atif. It's my pleasure and I am indeed very happy to express and deliver a speech on this auspicious occasion, Let's Change Pakistan, which directly related with prosperity of the country, rich economy of the country, future of the student and pupil from every part of the life. Poet says that खुदा ने आज तक उस कौम की हालत नहीं बदली, खुदा ने आज तक उस कौम की हालत नहीं बदली, न हो जिसको ख्याल आप अपनी हालत के बदलने का. My dear audience and gentlemen, let's change Pakistan. We have the willpower to shape the future in every favorable way, in creating the educational milestone and a set of reformative educational goals. For real change in the country, I should start from myself. That consult not your fear, but your hope and your dream. Consult yourself, not with what you tried and failed in, but with what it is still possible for you to do. In this way, and with such a thought, we can make change in our beloved country, Pakistan. My dear audience, we can change Pakistan through education, because education plays an important role in the development of a country. The most important factor in national building are knowledge, literacy, and access to education. Education being the spine of every nation and also the key to empowerment. Most interesting factor in national building, education, and we should promote education. If the people of a country know how to bring a thing in use, then they will help in the development of a country, and the person can know it only through education. If the person of a country doesn't know how to bring a thing in use, then he or she will waste or destroy it. In result of that, the lack of that thing in the country and the country have to pay more for that thing to another country. The payment which the country pays to another country can be used in our own country if we know how to bring that thing in use. My dear audience, quote says that इन अंधेरों से कह दो अपना ठिकाना ढूंढ लें, इन अंधेरों से कह दो अपना ठिकाना ढूंढ लें, हम नए अज़्म के साथ बुनियादें सहर रखते हैं. Let's change Pakistan through economic stability and prosperity. One of the key qualities often associated with the best country is economic stability and prosperity. A country with strong economy provides opportunities for its citizens, high state of living, and can attract foreign investment. A country with strong economy provides better job prospects, high wages, and overall well-being for the resident. My dear audience, let's change Pakistan through the quality of life. The quality of life in a country is an important factor in its best ranking. These include access to healthcare, a clean environment, low crime rate, and high level of personal security. My dear audience, let's change Pakistan through healthcare and well-being. Access to healthcare qualities and a comprehensive healthcare system are important attributes for the best country. Countries that provide affordable and effective healthcare with a focus on preventive care rank high and global assessment. My dears, let's change Pakistan through cultural richness and diversity. Cultural richness and diversity are also important factors in its best ranking. A country's national heritage, art, music,